Hello again, creative people. It's Kelly Driver here and welcome to my art channel. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to show you a painting today that I did on a cradle wood panel and with some amazing colors on a black base. And being on a wooden panel, it's awesome for applying resin. So that's the intention, is to finish it off with a coat of resin. So let's jump right on in and have some fun. Right everybody, so today I've got a cradle wood panel and I put masking tape on the sides, and I've put the masking tape to here, so I'll have a nice, I've chosen to have a timber edge showing on here, and I've put gesso on there. And my inspiration for today is I want to use this bronze colour. So that's where everything is based around this bronze, which I want to be the feature colour of this artwork. So the colours I've chosen are all to work with bronze. I'm going to do a marbled base again because I'm just loving that style that I've been doing at the moment. I will put out black all over the base, and then I'm going to marble with Prussian blue and permanent blue violet. So let's just put the black out first, because I've learnt from the last few times that if I put the other marbling colours in at this point, that I just end up losing them. So I will put them in after I get the base on the canvas here. Oh, not canvas, board. So I think it was, I measured it before because I don't usually use this size canvas, and it is a 30 by 40 centimetre canvas. Board! Okay, got my gloves on because black is deadly when it gets on your fingernails. It's just deadly. It takes days to get it off. Okay, there's some Prussian. Bubbles show up heaps when you're using black. You can see everything, every bubble. It's so important to get those bubbles out. Oops. Now it's just meant to be little highlights in there. It's hard to kind of pick them up, to be honest. So I don't know whether this has worked or not, but anyway, no harm in having them in there. It's funny, you know, but the base is actually the most, getting the base right, it's the most boring part, but it's actually the most important part because everything works off this. So if you don't have a good base, you are not going to get anywhere. Now the colours that I'm going to use today are, I'm going to brighten everything up by using titanium buff light, and I'm going to do like a stripe over here and then a stripe up there is the plan. Okay, that will be good. I might put a bit more on. This Lazy Susan is so handy. Very good. That will be great. Now I'm going to put on I've got two metallics. Got okay, this one is Brilliant Blue. Now I will do Pebeo Iridescent Gold. This is Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. And I'm going to finish off with my bronze. Now I wonder if I've got enough paint around. I might put a bit more paint around to make sure I've got enough for flooding the canvas. Right, the colours are all on. I will blow the paint over first to help blend the colours before I blow it out. Right, well that will be very good like this. Well, that is very beautiful, very beautiful. I can see a lump of paint just here. Don't know what's going on there. Okay, this is absolutely beautiful here, just beautiful. I'll give it a torch and see if any, what comes up when I torch it. Oh gosh, I've done a beautiful one. It is beautiful. Oh, look at that lovely line there. That's great. Don't really like that white dot there. I might get a syringe and suck that bit up. I can't find a syringe, but I've got like a dropper, so we'll give that a go. Oh, that worked. Boop, gone. Perfect. That worked very well. Oh man, I am just so happy with this. I really don't think I need to, I don't think I need to change anything at all. What do you think? We've got some lovely purple and blue going on in here. Oh, that's come back there. Get rid of that again. And I'm going to leave it like that. I am so happy. I couldn't be happier with this piece. The bronze is just stunning with the blue, and of course the iridescent blue-green is going to shimmer, and the Pebeo gold will as well. We've got a wonderful combination of colours here. It's going to dry so beautifully, and because it is a board, I can very easily put epoxy resin on it to just make it absolutely be like a mirror, shine. So it's going to be wonderful. So stay tuned to watch part 2 when the painting is dry. Here's the final result. It's so beautiful, absolutely beautiful. The colours have turned out so good with the resin, epoxy resin over the top. Timber boards are just brilliant for having that beautiful finish with the epoxy resin. So I'm very proud of this artwork. I think it's really striking. It's got a wonderful amount of negative space in it. And there's some beautiful details. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Until next time, I've got a few more videos ready to release. I just got to do the editing. It's the hardest part for me, to find the time to do the editing. So thanks very much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.